Hi, this is Wayne from Inkish and Printing Connect Online at the IST UV Days. I now have the pleasure of interviewing Philipp from Elantas. Philipp, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So is this your first time here at this exhibition?
No, it's our third time here on the IST UV Days.
Right, okay. And obviously it's a big networking event. Do you find that you get a lot of ROI from it?
Totally right. This is a main target for us to create more network, to get in touch with the people, to talk about what we can do for them, what our customers are doing with our fancy stuff.
Right, okay. So let's talk about your fancy stuff. So you do printed electronics.
Correct.
Something that I'm not over familiar with, I have to say. But maybe you want to just show us the bottle that we was looking at before we come on air. Let's have a little demonstration. I mean, it's wizardry as far as I'm concerned. But tell us a little bit more about this.
So first of all, we are producing functional inks for print electronic.
Right.
And our customers are creating nice stuff with that. One nice sample is this bottle for gin. It's an English company who has produced such kind of glass bottle.
Okay.
And the nice thing here on it is it's illuminated.
Right.
And by touching the glass bottle just with my hands, it's starting to illuminate.
Right.
Very simple, very easy. And the nice thing on here, it's printed directly on glass.
Right.
So we have the conductive circuits, the tracks, we have the LEDs, everything printed directly on the glass.
Right. So is it the label that's pressure sensitive, or is it? How does it work?
So it's a capacity touch element. That means
Right.
when I touch it with my fingers, I close the circuit,
Right.
and then it starts to illuminate.
Right.
Very simple, nice idea, and no failures. So that means it's very easy, simple,
Right.
easy to produce.
Right. And there's lots of other applications. I mean, you were showing us the backpack. I mean, there's no end to the type of applications that you can use your techniques, your equipment.
So our product is behind it.
Right.
You will not see it with your eyes, but these are OLEDs, as you can see here. These are also printed OLEDs.
Right.
Very nice stuff, and the brand is Engelbert and Strauss. We say that's the Gucci for the easy guy.
Right. Okay.
The Gucci, that means seriously, there's a
High
serious
end.
background because
Yeah.
the backpack, it's protecting, for example, if you ride a bike, if you go bicycling
Yeah.
in the darkness, it is very shiny. It shows you that there's someone is riding a bike, for example.
Right. Okay.
Very simple and very thin, just a power bank to activate it, and that's it.
Wow. Okay. So who are you looking to target then? Are you? I mean, it's quite a broad spectrum of potential customers for you, I guess.
That's a good thing and the bad thing at the same time.
Right.
So the nice thing is we have quite a lot of areas where we can get in. Our customers are textile producers, wearables, t-shirts, gloves,
Yeah.
but also industrial applications like sensor applications. For example, we have over here a demonstrator box. Some of our customers producing the sensors here like a pressure sensor.
Right.
When I push the button, you can see over here on the display, depends a little bit how many force I
Yeah.
create, it's increasing the value. It's all printed. It's printed on a PET, very simple. Also a serious background, you can measure different kind of loads in a truck, for example.
Right. Okay.
Yeah? Humidity sensor, temperature sensor, very important, and also heaters.
Right. Okay.
Heaters is also a nice application for us. It's, for example, in a glove. This is a standard glove, and not only for ladies when they have cold hands,
Right. Okay.
also for the men's. Very simple, very thin, very flexible.
Yeah.
You can see these circuits here. This is our ink,
Right.
the printed electronic ink, and you can connect it here with the power bank, for example,
Right. Okay.
and then your
So that's
hand
a
will be-
heated glove.
Absolutely, a heated glove. Yeah.
My wife would love a pair of them. So how long has the business been running then? Is it a fairly new business, or have you been around for a while?
Very good question. Print electronic is still in the market since more than 25 years.
Right. Okay.
Print electronic has started in the field of membrane switches, keypads,
Right. Okay.
and that is where print electronic came from. But over the years, it has changed because we need more function on the same place. We need protected electronic against humidity, salty water, all the things.
So I guess really, as far as the applications are concerned, I mean, they're being driven by your customers?
Yes, not only our customers, also the big brands behind it. OEMs, for example, BMWs, Mercedes, Porsche, all these big brands, the tier ones, all these guys are looking for new innovative ideas to make something more smart, more intelligent, more lightweighted, especially in the field of automotive.
Yeah.
Stretchable is something what we have as well in our portfolio. Whenever you drive a car and you have a seat heater, most of the seat heaters are printed with our inks.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, it's absolutely fascinating. It's a whole side to print that I don't know particularly much about, but really nice to meet you, and I hope you have a great show.
We do our very best. Thank you
Okay.
so much for visiting us.
Thank you for your time.
Take care.
Thank you.